Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will show you how you can find juicy tags only using Google with simple and fast method. For the new people, my name is Sad. I run this channel uploading daily videos about making money online, which branch in the med business by giving you daily tips and tricks help you to increase your sales. Don't forget to check my Gamerwood store to ready professional designs with tags. You can use them for your POD journey, and of course those designs able for one person. Now let's get started. The tags are very important for your designs to optimize in the first pages. They help your designs to appear to customers, and I already uploaded a full guide video about tags and the best free ways to generate them. You can check it in my YouTube channel. So first open google.com and type any keyword you want. Please the word of synonym. For example, I will use cat. Google give us words similar to cat, like these words. And there is some words I am sure that have a low competition, like these words for example. And you can apply this method of any keyword you want to target. Also, those synonyms are worldwide. It means some of those words are used by other countries. You can use them like tags on Redbubble. Also, if we scroll down here, we will find some different names of cats. Also, you can use them like tags, and you can visit this website for more synonyms. I just find this website and test some of keywords from it. Here you can select synonyms or the definition, type your keyword, and the site give us some synonyms related to keyword we enter. For example, let's type summer. Voila, like you see, I am sure this website can give you some great low competition tags to use on your print on demand platform. And of course, if you use the tags of this website and doesn't bring you any sales, you can change them once a month or anytime you want, but not leave your designs dead. You must refresh them for more opportunities getting some sales, and I already uploaded a video talking about this. You can check it from here. So this is the end of this video. I wish you benefit from it. If so, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.